Hello, hello. Today I just did an EFR course in the morning and now helping to move for one person. She's moving in this place. I will a little bit show you around. Absolutely abandoned for more than a year, and that's how it looks all the place. I will show you how the pool is actually looking like. It's just like, whew, there's like grass growing in it. Yeah, in. All in. Yeah, all this one. So yeah, so this was a pool. I don't believe they will clean it because it takes a lot of water and effort to clean it out. But the person who's moving in here, she's more about this view than about all the facilities. So that's why I think it will stay like it is. Beautiful view from here. That's exactly, if we're looking down, that's the area where is this beautiful corals growing. It's that's the beginning of the Bonotan dive site, and this is the end, and this one is the end of the Gemeluk wall. The bungalows looks okay. They cleaned one, the rest is dirty and abandoned. But yeah, even it's really abandoned. I think if she will live there, so then the people will clean the territory, because she's moving in really spontaneous, moved in, and that's why. Someone is calling me paparazzi already. Yeah, so I didn't dive today because I'm planning to hike Agung this night. The guys will pick me up 11 p.m. and then we will go. There will be, how many there will be? Me plus 5 people going. And so that's why I didn't do any dives, just relaxing before the hike. We'll go and buy some food, just to take it with me. Usually I'm eating something really sweet, I mean condensate milk that gives a lot of energy. I've been doing that also when I did all these long distance swims, and it gives a lot of energy, kind of a life hack from me. So this is a territory of another bungalow, which been abandoned only 1.5 years. Yeah, it's the room. It's the place where you can sleep. Yeah, and there are many hotels like this at the moment all around here. This was the reception. Nothing really left. That's probably, this one was the Varung reception. Yeah. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be okay again. Okay. The girls been going already for 2 nights a night dive to see them, and there will be some footage from there, from that dive. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and see you from the top of the Agon. Bye.